The summer seaside project revolves around the idea of bringing in a coastal touch with subtle vintage elements to encapsulate the owner's personality. The owner's priorities lies in space flexibility and multifunctionality, where she doesn't feel the space's own restrictions and instead feel as if this is a large canvas for her to grow into. This is a one-bedroom condo unit with an access to a balcony. We removed this drywall separating the bedroom and living area to create a more flexible setup, then added a pocket glass sliding door to keep an open, airy layout option. We added a Murphy bed here that can support a full double-sized mattress and wardrobes on the side. When this is closed, the owner can have more space to work around on a new layout that will be more comfortable if she has guests around. Once you go inside the unit, the kitchen is the first thing that will greet you. We modified the base cabinets, extending the countertop all the way to the wall here, creating a space for a washer-dryer, small appliances, and also a shelf. We installed a 2-burner induction cooker and a larger sink, then also added drawers for utensil and equipment organization. We went for satin brass knobs and handles for the kitchen cabinets to add a bit more tactile feature and personality to the space. We kept the existing overhead cabinet, then added a tall cabinet here with adjustable shelving for shoes and tall cleaning equipment. We have a small dining corner here, and on a daily basis this is good for 2 people, but can be extended up to 4 once needed. We made this as intimate as possible, adding in a pendant lamp and a custom artwork to seal in the details. The living area is conveniently located right next to the balcony access, giving this spot a good amount of natural sunlight. This is also right next to the bedroom. The owner can separate the 2 areas with this pocket door and added these blackout curtains for additional privacy. In daytime and whenever there are guests in the unit, the owner can easily tuck this pocket door away, creating a larger accessible pathway to both areas. The bedroom features this custom Murphy bed with the left side for wardrobe and the right side for night table and a semi-wardrobe storage feature as well. There's nightlight in the bed area for ambient lighting, and right in front is the dresser drawer and work table. We made sure that these 2 pieces can be moved around in case the owner wants to do a little relayout. The Murphy bed mechanism was challenging for us since there are limited options available here in the Philippines. I talked about this in a separate reel, but attaching here the link if ever you're interested. We added a foldable headboard here where the owner can securely attach it to the latch to keep it folded, since we need to have a certain clearance for the mattress and Murphy mechanism. This aligns seamlessly with the wardrobe once it's closed. One of the owner's priorities is to have flexibility with the layout, especially when she has guests around. We toyed around the possibilities where she can move her sofa towards the bedroom and fully extend her dining set. The bathroom is one of our favorites. Staying true to its coastal theme, we fully renovated this to feature pebble look tiles matched with white and blue glazed tiles. We used satin brass finish for the fixtures and went for a custom scallop-shaped mirror to add a cute accent feature to the room. Toiletry cabinet is a must, and we paired it with knobs that look similar to a shell. We also replaced the shower set, then installed a glass partition to separate the shower area from the dry area. I hope you enjoyed this design review, and I hope that somehow this reminds you that even in a small space, you don't have to limit your creativity. You just need to be intentional with every detail. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you again soon.